Hello guys, my name is Sayam Jain and in this tutorial I will tell you about all about React Native, how to get started and how to make your app for the Android as well as for the iOS. As the React Native is the upcoming platform which is provided by the Facebook so that you can make one app for the Android as well as iOS which will run on the both. So no need to write double code for the iOS and Android differently. So let's get started. Before starting with the React, you need to install different things to your computer. Firstly is any Visual Code. You can use any text editor. I use Visual Code because I like this. Go over the first link of the Google and just download it from here. You can download from Mac OS and Linux also. So second thing is Node.js. Just type Node.js and go over the first link and click over this. This will download and I have already downloaded. So double click on this, it will start installing and click on next, then accept all and then next. You can change the file if you want and next. And keep in mind, click on the automatically so that everything will run fine. Let's yes, and it will start. It is done. Click on the finish. And keep in mind after this click on continue and click on yes. You need to download this also. Your PowerShell will work and in the administrator it will reload some package and all things so that it will work fine in the upcoming sessions. So let it be complete. It will take a while. So be patient, man. And it is complete. So just click enter to exit. So guys, let's set up our phone so that everything will work fine and go to the Google Play Store or any store which you have that iOS have. So here you type Expo Client. Expo Client, you get the first tab which have 2.4.2 stars and just install it and open it. Okay friends, and come back to the video and follow all the procedures and finally we see how this app works. Let's see some doc file with the of the React Native, and here there is you can see the two things, Expo CLI Quickstart and the React Native CLI Quickstart. In the Expo CLI Quickstart you get some extra benefit that you do not need to write the code for the stimulator to get the get connected with that, and it provides some extra benefit to you so that you can easily code and get the output. But in the React Native CLI Quickstart you have to perform each and everything by you. So we go for the Expo CLI Quickstart, which is very easy to use. So let's copy this, and before that let's make a new folder in which of the directory you want. I choose D directory. Okay, let's create a new folder and name it as a, I will name it as Pikachu, and open the VS Code, Visual Studio Code, and let's open the folder which is Pikachu. Here it is. Select the folder. Okay, now type some command in this terminal. I will use power terminal so that something turns to be fine. It is the power terminal. I choose PowerShell because all this stuff which is npm install g.expo.cli can be come to the all for the all modules, and you can use it again and again. So I will install it for the PowerShell. It takes some while, so be patient, man. As it is complete, so we come back to the our CMD, and here we write some code like this, expo.in.awesome project. Awesome project is the name which is used here, so we just change it Pikachu. We choose the blank one so that we can choose changes for that blank template, and start downloading, and you see there is a Pikachu which comes. And here is some JSON files and JavaScript files, as it is made up of JavaScript. So finally our project gets started, and this is, and let's use this and name the name of the project you made and click enter, and use npm start to start the project. When you click enter, it will start expo start and all, and it start expo tool. Okay, keep in mind, connect your phone with this, transfer via USB, and please connect your phone by the LAN wire to this PC, iOS or Android device which you want. And the app which I tell you to install, please install on your device and open it and click on this scan QR. And when you click on this scan QR, you see it will start building something. Let's see some code inside this. Okay, see app.js, and we put the terminal somehow down, and we see in our app which is running on our Android device, it show the open up app.js to the start working on your app. Yeah, let's try to change this. Let's just try and name it as Pikachu Pika Pika, and just Control S to save it. And you see on your phone it will display Pikachu Pika Pika. So let's talk about some stuff which is written here in the app.js. .js is a JavaScript file which is shown here, and you can see here it is just look like HTML tag, isn't it? View, which we call div in the HTML. Here you can define it as a view, and in the upper part we import React from the React, and import style sheet which is somewhat how CSS styling and all that is in this. And the text view which is in the HTML here is same in the text, and here is the view is the same as the divisions for that. And here we write the code, and here is the text which is returning to the app. Okay, and here is the somehow it look like a CSS file, and it is also for the styling. So syntax is constant styles equals to style sheet dot create, and container called all this background color and all this. So guys, this is all about how the React is getting start over your PC. So React Native helps to build you a app, and in this series I will tell you how to make a fascinating app by your own, by the use and the knowledge of some tags which I show here. So subscribe my channel and be online. Okay friends, thank you for watching.